I'm excited to be joined by Mr. Jim Rodgers, who's a systems administrator at Norcam Group, a manufacturing company here in Atlanta.
Yes.
Thanks for being on, Jim.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask you really just one question. For 2020, where do you plan to invest your time and money and energy when it comes to your IT infrastructure? What do you plan to modernize?
Probably automation.
Okay. And when you talk about automation, I mean, what do you hope to gain from that?
To not do a task multiple times.
Okay.
Make me more valuable.
Make you more valuable too.
Yeah.
Okay. And where do you see this helping? Could this help your end users in some way?
Yes, I think so. Be more productive. So.
More productive and maybe prevent problems before they happen, kind of thing?
Yep.
Awesome. Well, thanks for sharing your 2020 plans with me, Jim. Appreciate it.
All right.